Hi family, it's Auntie here, and today we're reading this book. This book is called Who is Coming to Our House? It was written by Joseph Slate and illustrated by Ashley Wolf. Let's take a look. Who is coming to our house? Someone, says Mouse. Make room, says the pig. I will butt aside the rig. We must clean, says the lamb. Dust the beans, said the ram. Who is coming to our house? Someone, said the mouse. Sweep the earth, says the chick. Stack the hay, says goose, and quick. Spin new web, said the spider. I will line the crib with eider. Who is coming to our house? Someone, said the mouse. Someone's coming from afar. I will nose the door ajar. But it is dark, says the cat. They will never come, says the rat. Yes, they'll come, says the mouse. Someone's coming to this house. I will lay an egg, says the hen. I will spread my tail just for them. What animal is this? That's a peacock. That's right. Look at its beautiful feathers. Who is coming to our house? Mary and Joseph, whispers Mouse. Welcome to our house. How sweet. Thank you so much for reading this story with me today. I hope you have a great holiday season. Merry Christmas. Auntie loves you. Bye.